Okay, what's up? I'm gonna share a technique that I made up. I call it name theory. Okay, so here's the general principle. Stable diffusion models can generate the likeness of characters or people, provided that the image was somewhere in the data set and they had the proper tagging, right? So the example I'm going to use is a Tago from Missouri Lane. Okay, we're going to hit generate. And it's going to generate a picture that looks like a Tago from Missouri Lane, obviously, okay? Perfect, awesome, cool. I'm going to set this to preview image so it doesn't fill up my hard drive with stuff. So it responds to names, okay? So the theory that I came up with is, since it responds to names, what happens if we just make up a name? And the one that I'm going to use for this example is Beth Saracen. It's a name I just made up, alright? It's not a person, I just made this name up, alright? So you hit Q prompt, and then the thing that we're trying to do is, does this actually do anything? And the way we can tell if it works is if there are any biases that we can identify within the image. So the first generation, you're not going to be able to identify any biases. You need more than one. That's how it works. So I'm noticing teal eyes right off the bat. Let's see if we get any other consistencies. The first one was brunette. The second two were kind of like a platinum blonde. Platinum blonde, blue eyes. We did have a brunette though, and it's kind of like short hair, kind of medium length, shoulder length hair. So okay, so far we have a majority of platinum hair and blue eyes. Okay, yeah, so I would consider this at this point a bias. So this prompt right here, Beth Saracen, has a bias for blue eyes and platinum hair, okay? So the first step in order to doing this is you use the biases that you're able to identify. So that would be blue eyes and platinum hair. And then the hair was kind of like, it's all the same length-ish. So we're gonna do that too. Medium hair. Hopefully this works. So we've identified the biases and then we prompt for them, okay? We got blue hair now. Interesting. So let's see, hopefully blue eyes isn't adding blueness to the hair. I think it might be. Ooh, nice. This was very good. Okay, so it's doing the blue thing consistently, it seems like. Do we have, yeah! All right, so that's a very good sign. The step that we should do next, if it does happen, is you're trying to identify inconsistencies. So let's say the hairstyle was different every time. Like this. It's not blue multicolor. Let's do another gen. We're trying to get 100% consistency, or at least like 90. Very high level of consistency. So we're going to see if it gets the blue stuff behind the hair again. It does. So I'm going to try and prompt multicolor hair. Or bluish, platinum blue hair. Maybe. The point is to identify the biases, like I keep saying, and then prompting for them so you can get the highest level of consistency possible. I think this might be good if we can get those blue tips on the next one. It's good enough. It's got that blue glow in the background. I kind of like that. Okay, so I wish it was inconsistent though, because I need to show the inconsistencies. So if you did have an inconsistency, like let's say, I mean, we kind of just handled that. It was blah 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 blah. We prompted for it, and now we get it consistently. Okay, so the next step is you just add your outfits or whatever. Outfits, body type, anything like that. So we're gonna do white shirts, blue shorts. And then we should get the character that looks like this again. Hopefully. Not quite. The blue hair is just too much. Actually, that might be fine. I think that's fine. Maybe I should have kept my images on save. Whatever. Okay, yeah, this is fine. So it's very consistent now, as you can see. So you change the outfit, and it's still going to be very consistent. Beautiful dress. Beautiful dress. So we throw that in there. And then we're going to get the same character wearing a beautiful dress. Boom. Okay, so it's really that simple. You just make up a name. Identify biases and prompt for them, and then when you notice inconsistencies, you prompt to compensate for that or to skew it in a particular direction. And then all you have to do after that, once you start noticing you have a high level of consistency with the character, is change the outfits, body type, add your this stuff, whatever. You know what I'm talking about. All right, cool, bye.